Hello friends, I am Ganesh Bodke, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Economics. First of all, thanks for being here my YouTube channel Agriculture Economics. In this channel, we can learn about the different courses of agriculture economics. Now, in this video, we can learn the agribusiness management course. First of all, I will cover the all topics of this course means agribusiness management. Then I will cover the remaining courses. Now, first of all, see in the agribusiness management. This is your fifth semester elective course means elective economics 354. Course title is agribusiness management. Okay, let's say about the agribusiness management. In this video, we can learn about the different concept of agribusiness management. Means what is agribusiness management, what is definition of agribusiness management, what is the concept of agribusiness management, then sectors of agribusiness management, then structure of agribusiness management. Let's see the agribusiness management. The agribusiness is a generic term. The various businesses are involved in, for example, food production, including farming and contract farming, seed supply, agri-chemicals, machinery. Those are the different businesses are involved in the agribusiness management. The agribusiness concept was born in Harvard University in 1957 with the publication of book, the concept of the book Agribusinesses, written by the John H. Davis and Goldenberg. This is the origin of agribusiness management concept. Now, in 1966, introduction in Philippines early when the University Philippines of Agribusiness Management program under the following levels. In that, we can some three connections, the synonyms with the term of agribusiness management. Then next, the synonym of agribusiness management economics. Then next, the modification concept of agriculture. Then of the farm business concept. Then agriculture definition of agribusiness management. These are the agribusinesses. The agribusinesses, what is the meaning of agribusiness? The agribusiness word have two words. First is agri and second is the business. Agriculture means it includes the field operation, plantation, planting seeds, harvesting of crop, milking of cows, feeding of livestock. These are the agricultural practices in agri world. And then next, second is the businesses. In businesses means enterprise are engaged in the production and distribution of the goods for sale in the market or rendering of the services for price. Those are the businesses. First of all, we can see in the definition of agribusiness. Then later, we can see in the definition of agribusiness management. Agribusiness means what? It is the organization that provides the goods and services to others who want to need. Means those who have a need about their goods and services. First of all, we can provide the services of who have a need about the services or goods. Then second is the agribusiness management. Agribusiness management means what? The sum of all operations are involved in the manufacturing and distribution of the farm supplies. Production of activities on the farm, storage, processing and distribution of the farm commodities and other items made by them, means agribusiness management. The next concept is the scope of agribusiness management. Agribusiness has got a tremendous scope. It covers not only the wide range of activities but also multifactors magnitude of activities. The scope of agribusinesses industry, it can be classified under the four categories given by the first is the resources supply sector, second is the product marketing sector, then processing sector, then wholesale and retailing sector. Those are the different sectors of or scope of agribusiness in these different sectors. First sector is the resources supply sectors. It may be industry, it can be started a resources supply. For example, feed industries, financial industries, fertilizer industries, agriculture chemicals and oil services. Those are the resources supply sectors industries where the scope of agribusiness. Then second is the product marketing sector. There are a tremendous scope in the marketing of agriculture commodities. Out of their one third of working populations are engaged in the agriculture marketing. This sector consists of market development, storage, warehousing, cold storage, pre-cooling and transportations. Then third one is the processing sector. Several food processing industries like sugarcane industries, dairy industries, poultry industries, food processing industry, oil industries, then paper industries, and like it can be started which add to value of the product from the 50% to 100%, means we can proceed or some processing of the agriculture raw material and it can increase their value up to 50% to 100%. Then last one sector is the wholesale and retailing sector. Industries producing food, soap, paint, agro-based industries. There it is the original form of the product and it can alter prior to sell it the wholesale and retailer. Those are the wholesale and retail sector. Here is the scope of agribusinesses. Then next point is the structure of agribusiness management or sectors of agribusiness management. In that three important sectors. First one is the input sector, second one is the output sector and third one is the product sectors. First is the input sector. It deals with the supply of input required by the farmers, raising crop, livestock and their enterprises. It includes the seeds, chemicals, fertilizers, or different types of inputs are used in the farm production in the input sectors. Then second is the farm product sector. It aims to producing the crop or increasing the crop production. In that farm sector, livestock, product, crop are the example of the farm sector. Then third one is the product sector. The product sector means output sector or it can be various aspects like storage, processing, marketing and finish the product to meet the dynamic needs of the consumers. Those are the product sectors. Therefore, some of these all operations or activities are involved in the agriculture production or agribusiness management. Production up to the marketing of the farm supplies is called as the agribusiness management. All of about the different activities are involved in the agribusiness management. These are the different example of agribusiness management or sector or structure of the agribusiness management. First of all, input sector. Input sectors it can include the seeds of the cereals, vegetables, fertilizers, chemicals, machinery. Those are the input sectors. Then second one is the output. Here second one is the output sector. In that, crop and non-crop. First of all, crop. In that, first is the cereal, vegetable, cabbage. Those are the crop of output. And then second one is the non-crop output. In that, here is the milk, meat, poultry, fish. Those are the output sectors. Then third one is the service sector. In that, agriculture credit facility, information communication technology, counseling and consultancy. Those are the services sectors. Then next point is the importance of agribusiness business management. The agribusiness management importance of agribusiness management in the input sector, output sector, supply sector. Here is the different sectors. It is very important for the agribusiness management. Then last topic is the structure of agribusiness management. It involves the two important sectors. First is the farm input sector and second is the farm product sector. I have already told about the farm input sectors. In that, use the different inputs which require for the farm production or crop production. And second output product sector means we can, after the production, we can produce or sell to the market. Those are the product sectors. Those are the two important sectors of the agribusiness management. Okay, I hope you are already understand the whole concept of the agribusiness management. Okay, thank you.